Hey everyone, welcome back to Softwarehope. If you're a video editor, a content creator, or you run a small production team, you already know the biggest headache isn't editing, it's getting feedback. Endless email threads, check timestamp 234, someone reviewing the wrong version, it's chaos. Today I'm reviewing a tool that's basically solved this problem for thousands of video teams, Frame.io. It's now part of Adobe, and it plugs directly into Premiere Pro and After Effects. Let's break down what it actually does, how it works in a real workflow, and whether it's worth paying for in 2026. Quick note, if you want to compare Frame.io against other video collaboration tools, check the Softwarehope listing linked in the description. Okay, back to the review. At its core, Frame.io is a cloud-based video review and collaboration platform. You create a project, drag and drop your footage in, and the upload is fast. Frame.io claims speeds up to 5 times quicker than a regular Dropbox upload, which matters a lot when you're pushing large raw video files. If you're editing in Premiere Pro, After Effects, or Final Cut Pro, you don't even need to leave your timeline. There are free integrations that let you upload directly from inside the editor. Here's where it gets genuinely useful. Hover over any clip and you get an instant scrubbing preview. Tap spacebar and you get a quick look without fully opening the file. Once you're in the player, you can drop time-coded comments directly on a frame or draw annotations right on the video to show exactly what needs to change. Type a comment and the video automatically pauses. Hit enter, it resumes. Click any comment on the sidebar and the player jumps straight to that exact frame. No more check around the 2-minute mark. It's precise. And when you upload a new edit, you can drag it on top of the old version to create a version stack. That lets you flip between versions instantly, or even compare them side by side. For working with outside clients or vendors, you can add them as collaborators. They only see the specific project they're invited to, so your other client work stays private. Labels let you flag a clip's status like needs review or approved, and notify the right people automatically. When it's time to share outside the platform, you get 2 options. A review page gives clients a focused view of just the assets they need. No login required, they just click and comment. Or you can share a branded presentation page, which is better for delivering final, polished work under your own brand. Now, how does this actually feel in a real edit? You install the Frame.io extension through the Creative Cloud desktop app. Open it inside Premiere from Window, Extensions, and log in. From there, you create a project, invite your team by email, and upload your active sequence directly. Frame.io automatically renders a compressed proxy version through Media Encoder, so you're not uploading massive raw video every time. Once a collaborator reviews the cut, their comments and drawn annotations show up on your end instantly. Double-click any comment thread to reply and mark it complete once you've made the fix. Make your changes, upload the sequence again, and it becomes version 2 automatically. If everything looks good, the reviewer just changes the status to approved. That whole loop, upload, review, fix, re-upload, approve, happens without a single email. On pricing, Frame.io has a free plan, though it's fairly limited, 2 GB of storage and 2 projects. Adobe Creative Cloud subscribers actually get a better deal with an enhanced free plan offering 100 GB of storage and up to 5 projects. Paid plans start with Pro at $15 per user per month, giving you 5 users and 2 TB of storage. The team plan is $25 per user per month, extending to 15 users, 3 TB, and features like internal-only comments and custom-branded emails. For larger studios, there's a quote-based enterprise tier with SSO and multiple workspaces. So who is this actually for? If you're a freelance editor or a small studio doing regular client review cycles, especially inside the Adobe ecosystem, Frame.io is close to essential. The frame-accurate comments alone save hours of confusion every project. Where it's less of a fit is if you're a solo creator who doesn't really need external review cycles, or if per-seat pricing feels steep for a very small team. In that case, it's worth it comparing it against lighter alternatives before you commit. Either way, if collaboration and client feedback are eating up your time right now, Frame.io is one of the more mature tools out there for fixing that. That's it for today's review. If you found this useful, hit subscribe for more real software breakdowns. See you in the next one.